Good crafternoon everyone from me and Grebo. So this is just going to be something that is really quick. You can do it in a day or an afternoon. So today we're going to be making drawstring pouches. So these drawstring pouches are used throughout different time periods or fantasy settings. They're used for little ladies' handbags in the 1920s. They're similar to a Regency reticule, and these have been used all the way back sort of through the medieval period into the Roman period, just as coin purses and other little sort of stashed items. So we're going to show you how to make a reversible one today, because why make two things when you can make one thing and just turn it inside out? So the fabrics I've chosen today are this skirt, which you've already seen me tear apart for another project, and this jacket, which I got for about £2 in a charity shop, and I thought I could make something out of it.
So I mostly really like the colour. It looks much better on camera than it does in life as well, so it's a really nice colour, but I don't like the fit. It's a funny shape, so the plan is to cut it off at the waist and make the top half of Regency Spencer, but this means that I get to make a little reticule to go with it.
You'll also need something for your drawstring, so I've got a little ribbon that I stole off something else, some scissors, little scissors as well, needle and thread, and you also want a large needle, one that's big enough to take your ribbon, or you could use a leather strap or anything, through the rest of it. So without further ado, we'll crack on.
First, lay your fabric out flat and find a large circular object like a plate to draw around. Trace your circle out onto both fabrics. Test to see if your phone can fit. Then cut out your fabric circles. Place your circles on top of each other with right sides out. Then pin the edges to anchor the circles in line. Now it's time to choose an appropriate thread. I've chosen to match the brown side, as the velvet on the green side should conceal any stitching, so it's the brown side should be the only side it's going to be seen. For this part you also need your scissors and a sewing needle. Fold the two edges of the circle inwards about 1/2 inch or 1 centimetre. Start off with a couple of back stitches to anchor the thread. Then it's just a running back stitch all the way around your folded edge. Take your cord or ribbon and thread it onto a large needle. Tie the other end of your ribbon or cord to something secure that can't pass through. Then sew around the edge of your circle at your desired distance from the edge. Having it right at the top looks quite different from having it lower down. I'm using the width and length of the tip of my thumb to keep the gathering fairly equal all the way around the circle. You may find that you wish to use a measuring tape, and that's absolutely fine if that's the way you prefer to do things. Once you've gathered all the way around, tie both ends of the ribbon into a knot to secure them. And then we're done!
And there we go, all in a crafternoon's work. A lovely reversible pouch. So you've got your little evening bag, little coin purse, or alternately you've got your sort of vaguely LARPy medieval tie it to your belt kind. So yeah, and they're also just really useful. They're really nice little things, really quick to make if you want something to match the rest of an outfit. So give this a go. I hope you like it, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. Bye!